All right, this is John from the LA office. We've had a lot of rains this year. I'm trying to come up with better ways to mitigate the water at the end of the day, besides just having labor stand around, mindlessly emptying 30-gallon shop vacs. So I came up with a self-emptying shop vac. I got a 55-gallon steel drum. I mounted the shop vac lid to the top. I added a check valve down at the bottom. And then we have our vacuum hose here. Also have it connected to a timer that I can turn into the on position or on the timer mode. And inside the barrel I have a normally closed float. So how does it work? Right now you don't hear this on because this is currently draining itself out the side of the building. So you get the rain, you set up your shop vac, put the end in the water. Put this over here so you can see that a little better. Then you turn it on. The shop vac in the barrel fills up with water. Once the barrel gets full with water, the float goes up. It turns off the motor for the shop vac. While the shop vac is on, the check valve at the bottom prevents air from going back in this way. When the shop vac is off, the check valve opens by gravity and the barrel feeds itself out through 1.5-inch fire hose. Once the barrel is empty, the float goes back down, it turns the shop vac back on, and the barrel starts to fill up again. Pretty simple setup. You can hear it turning back on. It took less than 2 minutes to empty the barrel with an 1.5-inch fire hose to where that float turns back on, and it just fills itself up. So instead of having a laborer just standing around shop vacuuming water, he can set up a shop vac like this or numerous on a floor, and then while it's doing its thing, he could be doing cleanup or something more productive. As the puddle empties, he moves it to the next location, sets the hose out the end of the building, and lets it run. It takes about anywhere from 3 minutes to longer to fill up the shop vac. That's obviously determined by the depth of the water. As you can see out here on our project, the shop vac is filling up pretty quick these days. So anyway, that's the system in a nutshell. I'd like to produce more of these, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.